She used to watch him at Sunday dinner, Franny said. The way you watch weather you know is coming. Polite. Ready. She fed him every week for 10 years and never once let him see she'd stopped believing a word he said. I don't know how she did it. I couldn't have. Franny wrapped both hands around her coffee cup. But I'll tell you what I think she was really doing all that time. I think she was waiting for the day she'd know for certain which of you two girls was which. And I think your birthday finally told her. Franny reached into her bag and set down one more thing. A photocopy. A single page. Faded. A draft agreement from 2016. Never completed. At the top, in the cold language of contracts, Party A. Dennis Hills, transfer of proprietary recipes. My father's name, in black and white, next to the exact crime he was now accusing me of committing. I almost missed the last detail. In the corner of the page on a CC line, a set of initials. S.H. Sloan Hills. My sister was 19 in 2016, and her initials were on the copy line of the document my father tried to bury. I understood then the shape of the whole thing. This wasn't a single bad decision my father had made in a hard year. It was a pattern. In 2016, he'd tried to sell the recipes to a competitor. In 2026, he'd tried to route them through my sister's marriage into the Wades. The same theft. A nicer suit. And my grandmother, who had watched him do it the first time and swallowed it whole, had spent a decade quietly making sure that when he tried again, she'd be the one holding the pen. That night, Sloan texted me. Not the family thread. Just me. Can we talk? Alone? Before the homecoming. We met at a diner that wasn't ours. Neutral ground, a chain place off the highway where nobody knew either of us, and my sister looked like she hadn't slept in days. She'd flown home from Aspen. The engagement party had ended, and something else had started in its place. I knew, she said, before I could even ask. About 2016. I was 19. Dad looped me in because he needed someone in the family to look loyal, someone to CC, and I told myself it wasn't my problem. It was between him and Grandma. Her voice cracked and she didn't try to hide it. It was my problem. She's my grandmother too. I just liked being the one they didn't ask anything of. It was easier to be the favorite than to be honest. I didn't rescue her from it. I let her sit in it, because she'd let Grandma sit in it for 10 years. Then Sloan reached into her bag and put something on the table. Not a photocopy. The original of the 2016 page with my father's actual signature, the real ink. Franny gave you the copy? She said. I've had the real one since I was 19. I don't even know why I kept it. Maybe so that someday I could do this. She slid it across the table to me. Do what I couldn't.